And we are back. Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about 3 developer communities or forums which in my opinion you should be joining as soon as possible to get the most out of the developer community that is 24/7 online. So let's get started. If you have been developing softwares for a while, you must be aware that you cannot know it all, and at the end of the day, you will require some help from external sources, maybe like from other developers or the blogs or the videos that is there on the internet, right? So there are 3 major important communities. One thing you should keep in mind that these might be an opinionated choices which I am going to tell you, right? There can be other developer communities which are even more beneficial as compared to the communities I am going to tell you about, but it depends on the preference of a developer from where he likes to get help, right? So according to me, I think that these 3 developer communities are really a major drivers of getting help online. So let's talk about them. The first and most important developer community which you should be joining is stackoverflow.com. It is a major question and answer site where you can discuss and even get help regarding the extreme technical questions. Stack Overflow is that site from where you can get help regarding your question, no matter how convoluted or technically difficult problems are, because Stack Overflow comprises of many major or technical authors, developers, programmers from very reputed companies like Google, Apple, Microsoft, and several other freelance developers as well, right? So it is a platform where everyone is there, and if you really put your question in a best way, you are really likely to get a help as soon as possible. Maybe there is even a possibility that you post your answer and within 2 seconds or maybe within 1 minute you get the answer. Most of the people will even give you the links where you can read more about the root of your problem and how you can solve your problem in the future without even asking online. Now there are certain key rules to keep a good post or make a good question in Stack Overflow. I will be talking more about how to make a good and detailed question on Stack Overflow maybe in my later videos. So you better subscribe to my channel so that I can reach out to you guys as soon as I put up new content online. The second most important and rising community in 2016 can be Quora.com. It's also a question answer site, but it is slightly less technical as compared to Stack Overflow. On Stack Overflow, you post a detailed or a very much extremely technical questions and seek help from renowned programmers and developers, right? On Quora, it is slightly down a notch as far as technicalities are concerned. So you interact or answer or ask questions which are more generalized, or you can say which are target more audience. Like you can ask more about how to get more installs of your applications, and you can ask about you are facing some kind of less technical problem and how to rectify it. Like the other day I answered like how can a user run his application on his tablet, right? So the question answers are less technical as compared to Stack Overflow, but there are certain aspects of answering and questioning on Quora which is very much helpful in your developer journey. Like you have developed a software, now you need to market it. You can get many advices or help from people that are there on Quora. Quora is also made up of people who are bloggers, entrepreneurs and developers. The thing is that everybody is just there. You need to frame your question properly to get a proper answer. Plus the knowledge base of Quora is so vast, like maybe there is a huge possibility that whatever you are trying to ask, you will already get the answer already answered on some other question which is very much similar to yours. So here is a key rule. Stack Overflow, more technical and factually correct, and Quora, it can be philosophical or based on market study, and the answers cannot be factually correct on it, but still there are certain things where you can never be factually correct, like marketing of an application or how to handle user psychology, right? So there are no definitive answers to that, and Quora is the best place to get such answers related to such topics which don't have any kind of factual answers. The third website or the developer community which you should join is medium.com. See, medium.com is kind of blogger.com or wordpress.com of maybe like new age, right? So what these people are doing now, these people are creating such a platform which where everyone from every community, from every industry can come and collaborate with each other, and they share their knowledge on their platform. Medium is one such platform where artists, developers, designers from every industry are coming together and exchanging their knowledge. So there is a huge possibility that you will meet many interesting people from your own industry. So if you are a developer, you will get to see many well-written articles by renowned developers who are working in Google, Microsoft, and even these companies have dedicated Medium blogs, like I am following Google developers, right? So these people or these blogs are gathering all of the latest and greatest of the articles from their firms and putting it on medium.com. So there is a single source of information which you can track online easily without scouring whole of the internet. Like you can head over to Google Developers Medium channel and have a look at what all the technical articles they have published in a recent while. Also, if you have any kind of thought or you have created some kind of tutorial, you can easily share it with the world on medium.com. You can maybe even write a detailed blog post and share it on Medium, and then from Medium you can tweet it and share it on your Facebook to grow your authority and to build your authority online. It is a great medium, plus they have this built-in SEO, so all of the answer and all of the blog posts, not the answer, all of the blog posts will be automatically SEO'd, and I have tried it. Like I have written several articles on my Medium blog and I can easily find my articles online by searching it on Google. So I think that if you want to create authority in your field, and if you want to share your knowledge with other people by writing blog posts, I think that you should start writing blogs on Medium instead of creating your own blog by taking some XYZ domain name and then doing everything on your own. The whole point of being on Medium is that it is easier for your audience to find you, and it is even more easier for you to reach your target audience, because you can use several strategies like including keywords and writing proper headlines for your articles and choosing better photos for your headers of your articles to gain more attention from your target audience. So that was all about it. If you know any other developer community that you are using and that is very much beneficial to you, please leave the link to the developer community and the reason why do you think that it is a good source of information exchange in the comment section below. It will be very much helpful to me and other developers and designers out there. Also, if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Also, if you have any query related to software development and IT life in general, please send your query at rajat@rajatstudio.com. I would be happy to help you. Take care.